Let's take a look at the detailed explanation of this high-performance cordless angle grinder. There are several accessories in the box. In addition to the angle grinder body, there is also a battery and charger. Not only are there cutting discs and sandpaper at your disposal, but there are a few extra gadgets, such as a wrench that makes it easy to change your angle grinder's cutting blade. Our cordless angle grinder is driven by a brushless motor, thus extending runtime and tool life while increasing speed and power. Furthermore, the handle of this cordless angle grinder is also removable. You can adjust the handle based on your working needs. This cordless angle grinder with ergonomically designed handle will provide you with higher comfort and efficiency. This cordless angle grinder has a wide range of applications, which can be used for metal cutting, grinding and polishing. It can meet the needs of your demanding applications. Our cordless angle grinder set has excellent performance and is worth your purchase.